नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय। बोल सदाशिव शंकर भगवान की जय। आइए सभी लोग महादेव की संकीर्तन करने से मन वाणी को पावन करें। तरस जोड़ने संकीर्तन भगवान सदाशिव शंकर। शंभो शंकर देवा शंभो शंकर देवा शंभो शंकर देवा शंभो शंकर देवा भोले बाबा महादेवा भोले बाबा महादेवा भोले बाबा महादेवा भोले बाबा महादेवा। पाहि प्रभु शरणं देवा पाहि प्रभु शरणं देवा पाहि प्रभु शरणं देवा पाहि प्रभु शरणं देवा भोले बाबा महादेवा भोले बाबा महादेवा भोले बाबा महादेवा भोले बाबा महादेवा। पाहि प्रभु शरणं देवा पाहि प्रभु शरणं देवा पाहि प्रभु शरणं देवा पाहि प्रभु शरणं देवा। हर हर गंगे महादेवा 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 भोले बाबा महादेवा भोले बाबा महादेवा भोले बाबा महादेवा भोले बाबा महादेवा। बोल सदाशिव शंकर भगवान की जय। एक बार प्रेम से बोले हर हर महादेव हर हर महादेव। बंधुओं, everyone understands the concept of muhurta. The concept of muhurta is a universal concept, not only for Hindus but for all human beings. When you look at the traffic to see what time you should go to downtown Toronto, you select the time with the least amount of traffic because सबसे कम कष्ट उसी समय होगा. In the same way, in our calendar we have many different parv, many different utsav, many different vrat. You can worship Bhagavan at any time. लेकिन जब मुहूर्त में आप पूजा करते हो, जब मुहूर्त में भजन गाते हो, जब मुहूर्त में कथा श्रवण करते हो, so those blessings, those punya, they are amplified. जहां आपको एक दिन मिलने वाला था स्वर्ग में आपको 5-10 दिन मिलते हैं. That is the power of worshiping Bhagavan in मुहूर्त. तो सबसे पहले ये पूरा मास अति शुभ मुहूर्त है. This entire month of Shravan is very dear to Bhagavan Shiva. अब ये श्रवण मास शुक्ल पक्ष, this is the more auspicious half of the month. और आज पंचमी तिथि पर नाग पंचमी की महोत्सव है. Today is known as Nag Panchami. So that is also an extra layer of muhurt added on top of the day. ऐसा पावन अवसर पे to be able to come to मंदिर on such a powerful and auspicious day, ऐसा दिन पर अभिषेक करना है, पूजा करना है, बिल्व पत्र चढ़ाना है, to listen to महाशिव पुराण कथा, ये अति सौभाग्य है, ये परम सौभाग्य है और ये आप लोग के ही सौभाग्य है. This is all due to your past karma, satkarma, punya, and it is all because of the kripa and the grace of Bholinath Sadashiva Shankar Bhagavan. Bol Kashi Vishwanath Bhagavan ki jai. Bandhu, why do we celebrate Nag Panchami? For those of you who come to Mandir on Sunday morning, जब हम श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण सुनाते हैं, so a few weeks before राजा परीक्षित जी की कथा सुनाए. We told you the कथा of राजा परीक्षित. संक्षिप्त रूप में बताता हूँ. Quickly we will summarize. Everyone remembers when Raja Parikshit was going to hunt, and that time when he saw this Rishi ji who is doing tapasya, Raja को लगा ये नकली तपस्या है, नकली बाबा है. So there was a dead snake skin on the ground. So picking it up, he placed it on the chest of that Rishi ji. अपमान करके चले गए. The son of that Rishi had given the shrap to Raja Parikshit. In 7 days, the king of the Nagas in this region, known as Takshak, he will bite you and you will die from his poison. Katha to bahut prasiddh hai. In 7 days, Shukdev ji Maharaj will come and he will tell this Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran Katha to Raja Parikshit ji. And then on the last day of this Katha, Parikshit ji ko moksha prapta hoga, and then Takshak Bhagavan will come and bite him, and then this mortal body will also expire. Ye Katha to bahut prasiddh hai. But the son of Raja Parikshit, his name was Raja Janmajay. And Raja Janmajay was very, very much upset. He was very angry. उनको बहुत क्रोध हो गया कि हमारे पिताजी कोई साधारण राजा नहीं थे. He was not an ordinary king, चक्रवर्ती सम्राट इतना भी नहीं, परम वैष्णव भी थे. He was a great भक्त of भगवान विष्णु. He was related to Bhagavan Vishnu. जन्म से उनका नाम मिला विष्णुराट. And then he was called Parikshit, the one who has taken darshan of Bhagavan Shri Krishna in the womb. Such was the blessings of Raja Parikshit. हम लोग जन्म लेने के बाद गोविंद की ओर तरसते रहते हैं और राजा परीक्षित को गोविंद मिला है जन्म लेने से पहले. He got Bhagavan Krishna before even coming into this world. तो बाकी क्या रहेगा? ऐसे राजा, to be unfairly cursed, to have his life cut short, and that too at the hands of a snake. So Janmajay decided, I will do a great anushtan, I will do a great mahayagya. अब यज्ञ तो कोई भी कर सकता है. Anyone can perform any yajna. The difference is in your sankalp. पूजा तो वही है, मंत्र तो वही है. When you do your Shuddhikaran, when you do Swasti Vachanam, when you place Ganesh Dev, you do Ganesh Puja, Navagrah Puja, Agnidev ka Avahan. What is the difference? In your Sankalp. When Panditji is reading the Sankalp and he reaches that part where he will say, Yajman Asyanam, what is the name of this Yajman? Sthanesh, what is the place you are performing this Sankalp? Or what is the Kal, what is the time? In which Samvatsar, in which Surya Uttarayane, Surya Dakshinayane, Shravana Masa, Shukla Paksha, Panchami Tithi. And then Panditji will say the reason for your Sankalp. Firstly, he identifies you. He identifies who you are, where you are, when you are. And then Panditji says the reason for doing this Sankalpa. So mostly Panditji does not pause in the middle of the Sankalp and ask you, कि भाई आपको क्या चाहिए इस पूजा से. They say a few general words. कल्याणार्थम, सुखम प्राप्त्यर्थम, धनम प्राप्त्यर्थम. पंडित जी को सब पता है कि यजमान को क्या चाहिए. So in one sentence they say 4 or 5 different things. दीर्घायु प्राप्त्यर्थम, आरोग्यता, आनंदम, ऐश्वर्यम, भाग्य सौभाग्य प्राप्त्यर्थम. जन्मजय, when he performs his sankalpa, sarva sarpa vinashanartham. in his sankalp, he asks Bhagavan, I wish to destroy all sarp, all sap, all snakes that are present in this world. Every single one of them, Prabhu, मैं सबको समाप्त करना चाहता हूँ. बोलो जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
For those of you who don't know, when we talk about the Prasiddha Naga, the kings of all of the serpents, so there are 8 of them. The one who killed Raja Parikshit was called Takshaka. लेकिन ये बढ़िया श्लोक है, आप लोग श्रवण करिए. अनंतो वासुकी पद्मो महापद्मनश्च तक्षकः कुलीरः कर्कटः शंखः चाष्टो नागा प्रकीर्तितः चाष्टो नागा प्रकीर्तितः. सबसे पहले the first naga is called Ananta. Then Vasuki ji. Vasuki ji is most famous because he is the one on the chest of Bhagavan Shiva. Ananta, Vasuki, Padma, then Mahapadma. फिर हमारे तक्षक जी, the one who killed Raja Parikshit, Kuliraha, Karkataha और Shankaha. These are the names of the 8 Mahanaga. और देवता है, they are devatas. And when Janmejaya began to perform this yajna, तो सबकी शरीर जलने लगे. All of the snakes in the world, they started to feel their bodies begin to burn. देखिए, there are many ways to take someone's life, but nobody has seen this way. I don't believe anybody has seen this method of taking someone's life. संकल्प के द्वारा, संकल्प के माध्यम से. And this power resided with the great rishis and great saints in the past. शस्त्र उठाने की आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ा. They never had to wield any weapons because they had a kamandal with them. उस कमंडल में जल रखा है. They will take a little bit of that water, place it into their hands, और बढ़िया संकल्प बोल करके वाणी से जो भी निकलती है वो सच हो जाते हैं. That is the power of tapasya. That is the power of punya. हमारे पास और आपके पास बल है. We have strength. ऋषियों के पास तपोबल. They have the strength of their tapasya. That is why किसी राजा से मत डरो, भगवान से भी मत डरना, लेकिन ऋषियों के श्राप से अवश्य डरना चाहिए. Because that is a weapon that can destroy you not only in this life but for many, many lifetimes to come. ऐसे अगर तपस्वी ऋषि मिले, अगर ऐसे महासिद्ध संत मिले, always touch their feet and ask for their ashirvad. As powerful as their ashirvad, that is equally as powerful as their shrap can be. And many times when you bow to these great people, these great saints and sages, आप भले ही पैर छू रहे हो, इनके मुंह से कुछ निकलते नहीं है. They do not always bless you because they know the power of their words. हर किसी को नहीं बोलते दीर्घायु भव. अगर किसी की किस्मत में लिखा है कि ये 10 साल बाद मरेगा, तो स्वामी जी कैसे बोल सकते हैं दीर्घायु भव. अगर किसी की कुंडली में लिखा है कि दरिद्रता रहेगा, so how can he say धनवान भव? If somebody because of their karma is meant to suffer, तो स्वामी जी कैसे बोल सकते भाग्यशाली भव, सौभाग्यवान भव, कैसे बोल सकते हैं? So when you bow to great saints and great sages and they give you a verbal आशीर्वाद, know that बहुत सोच समझ करके, बहुत विचार करके बोलते हैं. हर किसी को आशीर्वाद नहीं देते और हर किसी को श्राप भी नहीं देते. In this way, all of the snakes in this world started to burn. As they started to burn, they looked to their chief, they looked to their pramukh Nagdev. इसका नाम है वासुकी. And they said to Vasuki, हे प्रभु, आपके परम विश्वास करते हैं, आप ही बताओ, what should we do? They trust in Vasuki to save them. तो Vasuki says, ऐसे हालत में बस या तो भगवान विष्णु बचा सकते हैं या भगवान सदाशिव. If you go to भगवान विष्णु, तो हो सकता है मना भी कर सकते हैं. Maybe he will say no. क्यों? He loved Raja Parikshit. भगवान विष्णु ही है भगवान कृष्णा। तो चलिए काम करते हैं, हमारे भोलेनाथ के पास जाते हैं। लेट अस गो टू भगवान शिव। तस्योपरि शिवं ध्यायेत् साम्बं सर्वमनोहरं सर्वलक्षणसमुत्पन्नं सर्वावयवशोभनम्। तस्योपरि शिवं ध्यायेत् साम्बं सर्वमनोहरम। Bhagavan Shiv, Vasuki ji says, when you go to Bhagavan Shiv and he is sitting with Mata Parvati, हम लोग कहते हैं सांब सरा शिवाय भगवान की जय। सांब सरा शिव means Saha Amba, the one who sits with Jagadambika Maiya, Mata Parvati, सांब सरा शिव। When you go to Bhagavan Shiv and you ask him for anything, वो कभी मना नहीं करते हैं। He always grants the desires of his devotees, no matter what they ask of him. बस पहुंचना है। To get to him is not that easy, but I am sure we can get to him. Sarva Manoharam. Bhagavan Shiv कौन है? The one who is most beautiful and attractive to everyone. Many devatas are beautiful, but not all devatas are attractive to everyone. भगवान विष्णु भले ही जितने सुंदर है, even though he is most handsome, फिर भी असुर और दैत्य विरोध करते हैं। Still the Danavas and the Daityas, they hate him and they wish to fight with him, और हराना भी चाहते हैं, they wish to defeat him, but भगवान शिव से कोई शत्रुता नहीं करते। Nobody has enmity with भगवान शिव। In Kashi, the mandir of भगवान शिव is never closed. हमारे लिए बंद हो जाते हैं 2-3 घंटे के लिए, but actually the mandir is open. So I asked one of the Pujari ji one time in Gauri Kedareshwar, उनका नाम है पंडित बबलू जी। I said, पंडित जी 2 बजे के बाद दर्शन तो बंद होते हैं, लेकिन आप लोग शिव जी को साफ करके वस्त्र क्यों नहीं पहनाते हैं? You still leave the दूध, जल, everything you leave there. इसका मतलब 24 hours भगवान शिव जी के अभिषेक चलते हैं। तो पंडित जी ने एक बढ़िया बात बताया, आज तक मुझे स्मरण है। पंडित जी says, we pray to Bhagavan Shiv until 2 a.m. in the morning. This is the time that has been granted to Manushya, that you can worship Bhagavan Shiv until 2 a.m. in the morning. From 2 a.m. to 4 a.m., this time is reserved for all the Bhoot, the Pret, Dankini, Pisach, Asura, Rakshas. All of these spirits and ghosts and Rakshas, these 2 hours have been given to them. At that time, we do not sit in the mandir, but they come to mandir and they worship Bhagavan Shiv. And then again, 4 baje, Brahma Muhurt, at 4 a.m. we come and we do Mangal Aarti and we again prepare for our puja. बोलो सदा शिव शंकर भगवान की जय। इसका मतलब भगवान शिव के द्वार सबके लिए खुले हैं। His door is open to everyone. सर्वातिशय संयुक्तम सर्वभरण भूषितम रक्तास्य पाणिचरणम कुंदचंद्र स्मिताननम। Bhagavan Shiv adorns himself with the best jewelry. Everybody has gold, silver and diamonds. Bhagavan Shiv, when he was going to get married, Nandi ji says, Baba, all of the dulha, right? Dulha ya dulhen? Barat. Dulhen? Dulha. Barat leke jata hai. Nandi ji says, Bhagavan, all of the dulha wear fancy gold necklace. आप भी पहन लीजिए। भगवान शिव says, हमें स्वर्ण अच्छा नहीं लगता है। I like to wear black gold. Black gold क्या होता है? भगवान शिव की वासुकी जी। भगवान शिव, आप लोग बढ़िया मेकअप पहनते हैं, बढ़िया मेकअप लगाते हैं चेहरा पे। भगवान शिव takes the bhasma from the smashan and he puts that on his face. And he is already very fair. Karpura Gautam, he is very fair. Usually when you are fair, then you wear more makeup. But Bhagavan Shiv is already Karpura Gautam और फिर उसके ऊपर भी भस्म लगाते हैं। बताइए। But he has the most powerful decorations. कुंद चंद्र स्मितानन। और किसकी जटा में चंद्रमा विराजमान है? और किसकी जटा में गंगा जी बहती है. Nobody else can claim to have Ganga ji and Chandrama sitting on their head. Vasuki ji, he goes with all of the other Nagas and they go to Bhagavan Shiva. The door of Bhagavan Shiva is always open, koi rukte nahi hai. If a snake comes to your house, you will do everything you can to get them out. But they go without any resistance to the gate of Bhagavan Shiva. As they see this Sarva Manoharam, as they see this most handsome, most beautiful Sadashiva Shankar Bhagavan sitting in Kailash, on his left side Mata Parvati, Divya Stuti karne lage. They started to worship him. Shuddha Spatika Sankasham Pulla Padma Trilochanam Chaturbhuja Mudarangam Charu Chandra Kaladharam. Shuddha Spatika Sankasham. How many of you have a Spatik Shivlingam? Does anybody have a Spatik Shivlingam? Do you know what is Spatik, right? Crystal. There are many different types of Shivlingam, and depending on what you wish to obtain from Bhagavan, that is the kind of Shivlingam that you keep in your home. Jisko Aishwarya Prapti, जिसको सौभाग्य प्राप्ति, जिसको लक्ष्मी प्राप्ति चाहिए, so they use a Spatik Shivlingam. Spatik, Shuddha Spatika Sankasham, his very skin is as spotless as the Spatika. Pulla Padma Trilochanam, He Trilochan Bhagavan, the one who possesses 3 eyes. Each one of his eyes is like the Kamala Pushpa. Chatur Bhuja Mudarangam. Bhagavan Shiv appears in the Chatur Bhuja roop. Charu Chandra Kaladharam, with Chandrama sitting in his head. Varda Bhayahastam cha Mrigatank Tharam Haram Bhujanghar Valayam Charunila Gantaram. Vasuki Deva says, Prabhu, you are the only one who can save us. We have nowhere left to go. When you have no one left to help you, when you have no one left to support you, and you have no one left to listen to you, the Bhagavan Shiva is always there. He never abandons you. Kyun? Parvati Parameshwaro. He is the father and mother of this entire world. The father and mother kabhi bacche ko nahi chhodte hain, chahe jitne bhi dusht bante hain. As bad as your children get, एक बार आपके पास वापस आएंगे, बोलेंगे माँ हमें स्वीकार करो, पिताजी हमें स्वीकार करो. The mother and the father will always accept their children. When Vasuki ji makes this plea to Bhagavan Shiv, Bhagavan Shiv says, कोई बात नहीं. कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम सदा वसंतं हृदयारविन्दे सदा वसंतं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि कर्पूर गौरम. Bhagavan Shiv forgives Vasuki, forgives Takshaka, सबको आदेश देते हैं. He gives the command to the Guru of Janmajaya, जाके ये यज्ञ बंद करो. These snakes, these nagas are now under my protection. Everyone started to shout, Sadashiva Shankar Bhagavan ki Jai. But Vasuki says, Prabhu, आपने हमें बचा लिए, but still we have no place to live. हमें कोई देखना भी नहीं चाहते हैं। तो भगवान शिव से एक काम करो, भुजंग हार बलम चारु नील गलांतरम। भगवान शिव से हमारे गला में विराजमान हो जाओ, कम एंड सिट ऑन माई चेस्ट एज माई गार्लैंड। और इतना नहीं, आज के बाद जब हमारी पूजा होगी तो तुम्हारी पूजा भी होगी साथ में। Whenever you worship Bhagavan Shiv, you always offer a little bit of milk to Vasuki ji. This is the power of Karunavataram. This is the compassion of Bhagavan Shiv. Sarvop manarahitam sanugam saparichivam tata sachintaye tasya vamabhage maheshwari। व्यास जी कहते हैं, नॉट ओनली भगवान शिव इज एक्सट्रीमली ब्यूटिफुल, लेकिन जगत जननी जगदम्बिके मां पार्वती सिटिंग ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ भगवान वाम भागे महेश्वरीम। वासुकी एंड ऑल ऑफ द नागास दे आल्सो बाउ टू हर, हे जगदम्बिके मां ततः संचित्ते तस्य। हे प्रभु, हे मां, आपको भी हम बारंबार प्रणाम करते हैं। प्रफुल्लोत्पल पत्राभाम विस्तीर्णा यतलोचना। सुखदेव जी कहते हैं, सुखदेव जी नहीं, व्यास जी कहते हैं, इफ द आईज ऑफ भगवान शिव लुक लाइक लोटस फ्लावर्स, तो द आईज ऑफ माता पार्वती लुक्स लाइक लोटस फ्लावर्स व्हेन दे आर एट देयर पीक ब्लॉसमिंग पॉइंट। बिल्कुल प्रातः काले, व्हेन दोस फर्स्ट रेज ऑफ सूर्य नारायण भगवान touches its petals and it blooms and blossoms, and you see that tiny sparkle of the water droplets still resting on it. Purna Chandrava Vadana Neela Kunjit Murdaja। अगर भगवान शिव के जटा में अर्ध चंद्रमा विराजमान है, so the face of Mata Parvati is beautiful like Purna Chandrama. Just like how beautiful the moon is during Purnima, such is the beauty of Mata Parvati. Neelot paladalam prakhyam chandrardha krita shekaram ativritta ghano tungi strigdhapi napayodharam। The beauty of Mata Parvati, Bandhu, if we continue reading, there are many shloks here where Vyas Bhagavan continues to expound the beauty of Bhagavan Shiv and the beauty of Mata Parvati. Vasuki ji takes his place on the chest of Bhagavan Shiv, and the rest of this katha is very famous and very well known to everyone. Forevermore, whenever we see Bhagavan Sadashiv, his picture is never complete, his murti is never complete, his Shivlingam is never complete without the Vasuki ji. बोल वासुकी भगवान की जय। नाग प्रीता भविष्यन्ति ये प्रियन्ते सर्पराजिन सुखम भविष्यते तेषाम अपमर्गा यथा सुखम अपमर्गा यथा सुखम। बोल सदा शिव शंकर भगवान की जय। व्यास भगवान कहते हैं, ऑन दिस मोस्ट पावरफुल डे ऑफ नाग पंचमी, whoever comes to the mandir of Bhagavan Shiv and worships Bhagavan Shiv and worships Vasuki ji as well, sada Bhagavan Shiv removes all fear from their life and always blesses them that they will always be protected against sarpa, they will always be protected against snakes. बोलो सदा शिव शंकर भगवान की जय। आइए बंधु, एक भजन गा करके वाणी को विश्राम देते हैं। Let us sing one more bhajan to Bhagavan Shiv before आरती। ओ शंकर तेरी जटा से, बाबा तेरी जटा से, ओ शंकर तेरी जटा से, बाबा तेरी जटा से बहती है गंगा धारा, तेरी जटा से, बाबा तेरी जटा से बहती है गंगा धारा। शंकर तेरी जटा से बहती है गंगा धारा।
तेरी जटा से बहती है गंगाधारा।
काला घटा के अंदर हो,
घटा के अंदर
जिमी दामिनी उजाला,
शंकर तेरी जटा से
ओ बाबा तेरी जटा से
बहती है गंगाधारा।
गल में मुंद माला राजे, शशि भाल पर विराजे।
गल में
मुंड माला बाजे, शशि बाल विराजे।
ओ डम 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 रुबाजे हो,
डम 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 रुबाजे,
ओ डम 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 रुबाजे।
डम 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 रुबाजे।
कर में त्रिशूल धारा,
शंकर तेरी जटा से
बाबा तेरी जटा से, ओ शंकर तेरी जटा से, बाबा तेरी जटा से बहती है गंगाधारा, बहती है गंगाधारा, बहती है गंगाधारा। बोल सदा शिव शंकर भगवान की, बोल चंद्रशेखर भगवान की, बोल वासुकी भगवान की।